Hello everyone. On today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be talking about how to keep the summer fun and that summer sound with you all year long using the Motion Boom Plus outdoor speaker. Please do me a favor, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you can, hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, well today we're going to be talking about the Motion Boom Plus. This is an outdoor speaker that has a lot of great features that we're going to share with you. Right. Soundcore by Anker. Extreme outdoor sound. Partycast, bass up. IQ settings, Bluetooth. 80 watts of sound, 20 hours of playtime, an IP67 rating. Oh yeah, customizable EQ. The Motion Boom Plus is a sound that is loved by 20 million plus people all over the world. And we're talking about epic outdoor sound. 80 watt booming sound is delivered by two 30 watt woofers and 10 watt tweeters. While real-time intensified bass can be heard with Soundcore's proprietary bass-up technology. To improve treble performance of the Motion Boom Plus outdoor speaker, titanium drivers ensure an all-around epic sound. Lightweight and ultra-portable, you take your tunes everywhere you go with Motion Boom Plus Bluetooth speakers, built-in handle, and detachable strap. The Motion Boom Plus features 20-hour playtime. It's equipped with a 13,400 megahertz battery capacity with 20 hours of playtime to save you the trouble of frequently charging and makes listening more enjoyable. The speaker is also water and dust resistant. With an IP67 certification, you'll never have to worry about water splashes, rain, or accidental spills, or dust, while you're out and about with your Motion Boom Plus outdoor speaker. It also features an app, the Soundcore app, which we're going to show you in the demonstration that is coming up next. Let's check it out. Hello everyone, and we are outside with our Soundcore portable speaker, our app already downloaded, and our phone connected via Bluetooth to the speaker itself. We're going to play some music in just a moment, but in the meantime I'd like to point out a couple of features that I think are important that you'll be able to use on your speaker. First off is the handle, which makes transporting it completely easy. There's also a removable strap that comes with it. I put it on one side so I can actually just sling it on my shoulder, but there are connections for both sides if you choose to do that as well. Pairing with Bluetooth is very easy. It does that automatically, and once the device pops up on your phone, just select it and you're good to go. The bass boost is also a very neat feature, and we'll be testing that out in just a moment. Right now, I'd like to start playing something. You know what? Let's play our favorite theme. Alright everybody, coming up on this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to talk about how all of you can have real power on the go. Let's go. Hey everyone, So as you can see, this portable speaker is the perfect accessory for any summer party or event. It's enough sound to cover an entire backyard, and we're talking a very big backyard. And if that's not enough, with your custom EQ settings and bass boost, you can enhance that sound even more. On top of that, there's a partycast 2.0 system that allows you to connect 100 of these speakers if you choose to do so to cover sound in a mansion or a space that is much larger than you're probably ever going to need to do, but that technology is built into this already. This is a big upgrade from Motion Boom in terms of the output, the tweeter, the strap, the overall sound quality, the auxiliary in, and a lot of other great features. And as you can see, it's very lightweight. It makes sound vivid. You can see that in the close-up vibrations of the speaker itself. Its output is quite powerful, 80 watts, as I already mentioned, with 10-watt tweeters. And it's designed for outdoor activities. Do not forget the IP67 waterproof rating, so you can take this camping, van life, RV, outdoor parties, a backyard barbecue. It's ready to go wherever you want to go. And not only that, Soundcore's got you covered. Your Motion Boom outdoor speaker is going to come in at a far better price point than your JBL Extreme 3, your Marshall Kilborn 2, or other similar speakers. To find out more, once again, click on that link in the description below. Alright, so let's do a distance test. We're going to play some music, and we're going to go back over 100 feet to hear how the sound quality works out. Here we go. It's a sound that will fill a very large space with very high quality. To find out more about the Motion Boom Plus outdoor speaker and to purchase one, please click on that link in the description below. We'd like to thank Soundcore for sponsoring this video. It was very enjoyable to unbox it. Check out all the features and share all that information with all of you out there. Once again, to find out more and to purchase one, click on that link in the description below. That wraps it up for today's video. I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, please give us a like, subscribe, and when you do, turn on that notification bell for more good tech cheap. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.